केंद्र शासित जम्मू कश्मीर में डोमिसाइल प्रमाण पत्र जारी करने की प्रक्रिया के नियमों की अधिसूचना सोमवार को जारी कर दी। डोमिसाइल को मूल निवासी प्रमाण पत्र भी माना जाएगा। भारतीय संविधान के अनुच्छेद 309 के तहत अधिकार और जम्मू कश्मीर नागरिक सेवा अधिनियम 2010 के नियमों के तहत डोमिसाइल सर्टिफिकेट जारी किया जाएगा। डोमिसाइल प्रमाण पत्र के आवेदन के लिए प्रारूप भी जारी कर दिया गया है। डोमिसाइल प्रमाण पत्र के लिए जो भी व्यक्ति तय शर्तें पूरी करेगा उसे सक्षम प्राधिकारी प्रमाण पत्र जारी करेगा। जम्मू कश्मीर में 15 साल तक निवास करने वाले व्यक्ति या फिर 7 साल तक पढ़ाई करने वाले को भी प्रमाण पत्र जारी किया जाएगा।
In order to become eligible for domicile certificates. Yet another category of people is children of central government officials and such other categories of officials who have been made eligible by the Decentralization Act. For them, a certificate of service issued by the General Administration Department or the respective cadre controlling authority and the birth certificate for the children will be considered as valid documents. I have also made a mention of other categories of people who have now become eligible. For example, West Pakistan refugees. West Pakistan refugees, commonly called WPRs, were not eligible so far, but they have now become eligible. They will become eligible under the 15-year residence rule, or their children will become eligible under the 7-year residence rule, or the education in class 10th or class 12th of an educational institution located in Jammu and Kashmir territory. Safai Karmcharis, as you are all aware, they had been deprived so far of their right to government jobs. They have also now become eligible. The domicile rules which we have notified today have explained the procedure for them to get a domicile certificate, and as I said, for them 15 years residence rule, 7 years education rule, education in class 10th or 12th will come into play. Women residents married to people who were not earlier permanent residents, their children were so far not eligible. Their children will also become eligible under these residency rules or other rules which I have just explained. Other categories of migrant and displaced persons, while migrants will become eligible under the rule of registration with the relief commissioner, migrants, other categories of migrants or other displaced persons will also become eligible either by virtue of being registered as migrants or by virtue of the special provision which is now being made available to them. The point which we are trying to make is that each and every category of people or persons who have been rendered eligible as a result of the amendment of the amendment to the Decentralization Act are being facilitated through these rules which are called the grant of domicile certificate procedure rules. Each and every category is being facilitated, and very simple procedures have been put in place which include a provision for applications electronically, grant of certificates electronically, time-bound provisions, penalties for non-issuance of certificates in a given time, provision for competent issuing authorities as close to them as possible, provision of appellate authorities, suo motu cognizance by appellate authorities, penalties in case the orders of the appellant authority are not adhered to, and last but not the least, the bringing into the fold of government service of a large number of hitherto disadvantaged categories which I have just mentioned: West Pakistan refugees, Safai Karmcharis, displaced persons, children of women who were married outside, migrants and displaced persons, etc., etc. And last but